'cause he was just a and I knew it. Got me going back, sitting in this chair. Love it.
You only fools do what I do, only fools fall.
Hey guys, today I'm doing my last ever autumnal video. So it's the last time we're going to see my leaves. I'm doing a full bonfire night outfits lookbook. So it's more snazzy than like an outfits video, but this is a collab with Olivia, as she is in the video, and then Caitlin, who can't be in the video because she's not in the video, but it's still a collab with her as well. So let's get on with the video. So for my first outfit, I'm wearing my parka, which is from New Look like a few years ago or something, and then this scarf, which is from the male section in Primark, because I think it's really cute. And then there's some leaves. I need to get back to the thing so I can talk about the outfit. My jumper that I'm wearing that's like a mustard kind of colour, that is from H&M, and my boots are Timberland. So this next outfit, surprise, I'm wearing Uggs, not my Timberland boots, and I'm wearing a scarf, which I can't remember where it's exactly from. I think it's somewhere like Primark, and I'm wearing a H&M jumper once again. They have the best autumnal jumpers. They just like, and we went to see a firework display, so I'll show you that now. So my next outfit is very autumnal. I'm wearing the same scarf from Primark, and then these Timberland boots once again. I'm wearing the long cardigan, which I got from Topshop, like at the beginning of autumn season, and a Topshop little knitted jumper, and then some Topshop jeans. As you can tell, I like Topshop. No surprise. And there's Livy looking cute. If you want to see Livy's outfit, which was really cute, then check out her video down below in the description box, along with Caitlin's video as well. So yeah, we had so much fun filming this, and I hope you like the footage. Rabbit hole. Oh my god, you hit it! You hit it! Haven't refreshed it yet. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'm sorry for the autofocus. I'm sorry that it's out of focus. I can't do anything about it. So on my Twitter every week I'm doing something where I give you a shout out on my YouTube video if you've been the most active Twitter follower, and the most active Twitter follower by far this week has been Aof Rose. Honestly, her Twitter is so cute. When I saw her being the most active Twitter follower, I checked out her YouTube as well, and it is literally gold. She has 435 subscribers. We need to get her to like 1k or something. That would be pretty awesome. Bye! Christmas is coming to town. It's
It's gonna be Christmas in next year.
Don't that feel real funky, y'all?